In this video, I'm going to show you enum in C#. So enum is the short form of enumeration, which means the special collections of constant. We can only contain the constant value only inside the enum. In class, we can contain the fields, or you can say the methods inside the class, and we can represent it through the reference variable, and all the class members are stored in the objects. But in enum, we can only collect the constant value only. We can collect the value of the month, and then the value of the risk rate factor, like the lower, medium, and high. You can collect the gender, like the male, female, other. So let's create one enum. Before creating the enum, let's create one class gender. This is the syntax of the class. We can use the class keyword to create the class, and to create the enum, we can use the simple enum keyword. So inside the gender, I can give the value as male, female, and the others. So I have given the 3 value inside the gender, and let's create one class, that is class program. And inside the class program, static void main, and then I can create the reference variable of the gender, that is a small gender. If I want to access the value of the enum, then we can use the dot operator. So gender is my enum name, and I can use the dot operator to access the value of enum. So here I'm accessing the male, and if I run this by providing the value of the gender inside the console.write line, and if I run this code by pressing Ctrl F5 or run button, then you can see the output as male. And if I want to access the female, then I can just write the female here, and if I run this code, then now output will be the female. In this way, I can access the value of the male, females, and others, and default value of the male is 0. So if I don't provide any value, then default value of the male is 0. So how can I prove this? If I remove this code from here, or I don't have to remove this code, if I type here the integer, this is the explicit conversion, and if I put here the int value, and if I run this code by pressing the run button, then you can see this is 1. So the value of female is 1. If I this means that if the value of male, then value of male value will be 0, because the starting of the enum will be the 0. And I can put this enum inside the class also. I can code this code from here by pressing the Ctrl X, and if I put inside the class, then you can see we can put it inside the class, and we can access it through the switch case also. We can use this switch case to represent this value. So if I want to remove this integer also from here, and I can keep here the gender type, so GEND gender, and if I remove this part, and if I use this switch case, then switch keyword is here. This is switch keyword, and inside the switch keyword we have to provide the value of gender, and case gender.male, this is my one case, and I can give one message that CW, and I can give the message you are male, and after this I have to give the break keyword. And likewise I can make another case also, and that is case gender.female, female, gender.female. I can give the message you are female, and I can also give the another case, and that another case is gender.others, and I can give the message here others. And if I run this code by pressing the run button, then what will be the output? You are male, because we are providing the value here gender.male. And if I provide the value female, and if I run this code again, then now you can see the output will be the you are female. And in this way you can use the concept of the the enum in this way. So you can replace this by gender into the risk rate factor, like the low, medium, high, days in a week. So like weeks concept, you can make the month concepts, you can make the year concept, the value that never gonna be changed. Then we can use the concept of enum. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.